Hello guys, welcome to my video. And in today's video, I'm going to share my third automation project. What is the motivation behind creating this project is in during this Corona time, we should attend all the online classes of our college. So what I decided to do is to create a bot automatically, so that it will attend the online classes within time by muting itself and joining the class. So I will show a sample demo to you so that you can understand clearly how my project works. Uh, Bear me, I will run my Python script to show you the sample demo. So now I'm running my project code. See, it will open Microsoft Teams. So all of my classes are going on Microsoft Teams, and it is joining the particular class. And now after 5 seconds, it will click the join button, and it will mute itself by joining the class. Yeah, see, it's muting itself. So see, both of my hands are not touching the laptop, and now it will click on join
Click on
button.
join
Click
button.
on join
Click
button.
on join button.
Oh,
Join
sorry, it
button.
is coming
Sorry, it is
echo.
coming echo.
It is coming echo. So I'm leaving the class. So it will click mute button automatically, and it will click a join button also automatically to join the class by muting itself. So this is my third automation project, and for the further development, what I decided to do is to keep a particular timer to the project so that it will join the class at the particular time. For now itself, we should run the Python script to join a particular class, but in future implementation, I will create a timer so that it will join the class, particular class automatically at the particular time. So this is my third automation project, and share your views in the comment section. And thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you.